Hi everyone. So today we're going to be learning Pause by Prateek Kuhad. So I already played the song for you. Now I will show you how to do it. So this song is on the B major scale. Okay. So with the right hand we play these two notes. We start on the D sharp. That will be the first note of the song. So you have to do this, and later it changes to this. While the chords on the left hand stay the same. So I'll show you. The first chord is a B major chord. We will play the B note, the D sharp note, and the F sharp note. The second chord is the C sharp minor chord. It is made of C sharp, E, and a G sharp. The third chord is the D sharp minor chord. It is made of D sharp, F sharp, and A sharp. And then we will go back to the C sharp minor chord. So these are the four chords of the verse. So to combine both of the hands, we'll start with this note and then play the arpeggio of the chord. It will go from the lowermost to the middle one to the higher one. Same with all of the chords. So we'll play the right hand first and then play the three notes in the left hand and then play this. And then you repeat it. Then we change the chord. To the third chord. To the fourth chord. And that is how he changes to the. Okay, I'll play it for you. We'll go slow. I hope you got that. So then comes the chorus. In the chorus, the chords are changed. So the first chord is a B major. We'll play the whole chord with the right hand and two notes for the left hand. That is a D sharp, F sharp, A sharp, D sharp, F sharp. That is a C sharp, G sharp, C sharp again, E, and a G sharp. That makes the C sharp minor chord. And then the last chord is a new one, This is a E major chord. It's an inversion of it. So that is E, G sharp, B, E, and G sharp. Okay, so in the next round he will change the last chord from a E major to an E minor. You change the G sharp to a G. So that is E, G, B, and again E and G. So here is how the chorus goes. Can we hide, B? I need you close. D sharp minor. Can we pause this? C sharp minor. Keep it open. E major. And then so you change the last chord from the E major to the E minor, and then you start again. So there is one more part of the song which he uses in the second bar, which is like a lead. I'll tell you the notes. So it's C sharp, D sharp, and E, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, C sharp, D sharp, G sharp. And how you this can be a little difficult if you're new to the piano, so leave it if you cannot play it. I'll show you how he does it. And there is one more part of the song where even in the verse he's playing the chords of the chorus. It is that part. We hold each other just to stay in place. Maybe I'll just be the one to say. I'm sorry, I haven't practiced singing along to the song. So what he does is he changes the chord of the verse to the chords of the chorus. So it is a B, then a D sharp minor, then a C sharp minor, and then E. And in the left hand is how you play this is the first chord is the same. Then for the second chord you go to A sharp, D sharp, and F sharp. Then this is the same, and then the E major. And how he changes between this thing, between and is instead of playing the D sharp, he'll go from the C sharp to the E and then continue with this. And to change it back along, he plays the D sharp twice, like. Okay, so that is it for the song. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something. If you want me to teach any other songs, please leave a comment. Okay, thank you.